Hello, my dear friends. I'm come back with new topic, which is drama and written by William Shakespeare. And the title of the drama is Julius Caesar. It is based on the true event. It's a historical drama. I hope you would like it. Let's begin. Julius Caesar. The Tragedy of Julius Caesar, history play and tragedy by William Shakespeare, first performed in 1599. The characters are Julius Caesar, Calpurnia, Marcus Brutus, Portia, Loucius, Cassius, and Trebonius, and Decius Brutus. After that, Julius Caesar's themes: power, fate, free will, friendship, art and culture, gender, manipulations, pride, and principle are the main theme in Julius Caesar. And the summary of Julius Caesar. Julius Caesar, very famous politician in Rome, based on true events, and it's a history of Rome, a tragic play by William Shakespeare. Julius Caesar has been killed by the Brutus and Cassius. They think that after getting power, Julius Caesar can become a dictator. Then summary in detail. The story begins with the entry of Julius Caesar in the Rome after getting the victory over the son of his old enemy Pompey the Great. All the members were celebrating, and then suddenly the celebrations has been destroyed by the two politicians. Both are the enemy of the Julius Caesar. After that, Julius Caesar get the warning, but he ignored the warning, and then he just leave for the games. And after that, Brutus is convinced by the Cassius for the murder of Julius Caesar. And here irony is this, that Brutus is a very close friend of Julius Caesar. Julius Caesar he is a very trustworthy of the Julius Caesar, even though he is convinced by the Cassius for the conspiracy of the murder of the Caesar. After that, they plan that Caesar to be murdered in the Senate chamber by the conspirators. The date and time has been fixed. And again, he got a warning by his wife, and as usual, he ignored again. And then eventually, he is assassinated by the conspirator. He is killed by them. After that, his close friend Antony gave a very long speech after his death. So, and gathered an army by the help of his grandnephew and the adopted son Octavius, and all these called triumvirs. They become very strong. They gather very strong army, and then fight has been begun between Cassius Brutus and Antony. And then Cassius was mistakenly killed himself, and because Brutus was feeling alone, he's not able to face the very big crowd of army, and he was aware that after the defeat he will be dragged by the wheels of the Antonius chariot in the street of Rome. He was aware with the humiliations and insult which is waiting in future. Therefore, he also killed himself. As the play ends, Caesar murders has been avenged. End of all these conspirators and Julius Caesar. A great historical tragical drama. I hope you would like it, and it will definitely very rewarding to all of you, and I will come back with new lesson. Till I would like to sum up with very famous quote: "It is easier to find man who will volunteer to die than to find those who are willing to endure pain with patience." You would like it, and it will definitely very rewarding to all of you, and I will come back with new lesson. Till then, you take care, and bye bye, and thanks for watching.